Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to determine if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. It's a common question, so let's get right into it. Firstly, there are two methods to figure this out. Go to your profile at the top left and select My Friends. If you can't find the person you suspect has blocked you, it could mean that they've either blocked you or unfriended you. To delve deeper, go to Search function and look for the person you suspect. If you can't find them in the search results, it's a strong indicator that you've been blocked, as the person is not visible in the search field. So, if this information helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.